Welcome, families. We are excited to share our vision around academic and career planning tonight. It is our hope that your students will graduate college, career, and community ready. The next set of slides is designed to give you a flavor of what your children will be experiencing during their time here at O'Keefe. Throughout the school day, students are supported to think about how their experiences help them grow and get closer to who and what they want to be. This is the academic and career planning process and will be something they do through middle and high school. You'll notice on the slide that all grades have a universal experience. They will each explore interests, educational opportunities, and potential career options in our online website called Xello. They'll all have the chance to save work that they're proud of in a portfolio, and at the end of the year, they'll use that work to showcase their growth and future plans. Each grade level takes a field trip during the course of the year. 6th grade will be going in February to Madison College. In December, 7th grade will be going to a career fair called Future Quest. And in May, the 8th graders will be doing something called Willie Street Works, where they have the chance to go visit local businesses in the area and do on-site interviews. Part of this work is included in the graduate vision. This is a representation of all the different ways that students learn and become a well-rounded person. A goal for the Madison District for all students is that they have these competencies. There are 9 graduate vision competencies. At the center of this is the mastery of content, and then the other 8 important parts of being a well-rounded student. Growth mindset is the belief that hard work, persistence, curiosity, and mistakes are all part of learning. In wellness, students learn how to make healthy choices to promote their physical, mental, and emotional well-being, which is essential for them to lead happy and fulfilling lives. In community connection, students will have opportunities to engage in their community in order to recognize that their actions can have far-reaching impacts. In the area of confidence, students will learn to build self-confidence in academics and in their personal lives. With interpersonal skills, students build strong, positive relationships with peers and adults so that they are able to work effectively as part of a team. In the area of cultural competence, students will build meaningful relationships with people from all different backgrounds. And with self-knowledge, students will recognize their strengths and opportunities for growth. And in the area of creativity, students will explore ways to capitalize on their own innovative and unique talents. All of these pieces come together to form the graduate vision. One tool that we use to help students in this work is called Xello. It's a website that helps students investigate their interests and showcase the work they're most proud of. Your children will be sending you invitations to view their Xello sites in the next few weeks. Take some time to look it over with them. There's lots of great stuff in here. Xello is essentially an upgraded version of Career Cruising. It's interactive and very user-friendly. It's a lot of fun for students to begin to identify their interests and start thinking about their future options. If you log on to the Xello screen, you'll see there's a matchmaker section where students ask a series of questions which matches them with some potential career options. They also take a personality style inventory and a learning style inventory. You'll see in the Explore Options sections, there's all kinds of careers. There's information about schools and universities and about different kinds of majors. And then as you move over towards the right, students will have the opportunity to start making goals and creating plans for their future. I would highly encourage you to make use of the scroll bar, as there's a lot of great information just below. You matter, and you're really important in this process. We know that families all have hopes and dreams for their children. Academic and career planning helps family members learn and support the interests and dreams of their children as they continue to develop. Family support is one of the critical ways that young people see themselves in the world. We want families to know that they matter in this process. If you have any questions, please stop by the library this evening. My name's Jamie Dominy, and I'm our Academic and Career Planning Coordinator. You'll see my contact information listed there. And I want to thank you so much for coming tonight and for all the work that you do to make your students college career ready.